Knott's Berry Farm has always connected us to the past, to a story that was bigger than us, to an idea of an American dream, rooted in hard work, adventure, and family. Southern California may be known for a lot of things, but when it comes to what we choose to remember, it's the times we spent with friends and loved ones that remain. Some memories can be relived time and time again. Like that time your heart skipped a beat, or when you smiled wider than you ever had before. Chicken dinners and boysenberry pie, and those traditions that have lasted generations. Join us for our largest celebration. This summer, celebrate a century of unforgettable family moments with us at Knott's Berry Farm's 100th anniversary.